In this video, we explore the concept of capacity for Class 3 Maths. Learn how to define capacity, compare different containers, and measure capacity using standard units like liters and milliliters. The video also covers tips for comparing capacities and accurately measuring liquid quantities. Perfect for young learners building foundational math skills.
Introduction. Every day Rama's mother bought 2 liters of milk. However, today some guests are coming for dinner. She will be preparing custard. Therefore, she bought 4 liters of milk from the milk booth. How do we measure liquids? Let us find out in this lesson today. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to compare capacity, measure capacity. Capacity. Rama was playing in the garden. He saw 3 holes in the playground. He decided to fill them with water. Hole A gets filled with 5 mugs of water. Hole B gets filled with 7 mugs of water. And hole C gets filled with 3 mugs of water. Can you tell which is the biggest hole? Yes, hole B is the biggest hole. Capacity of containers. Maria pours 1 glass of water in her jug. It looks like this. When John pours 1 glass of water in his jug, it looks like this. Maria thinks she will have to pour around 2 glasses of water to fill the jug, while John thinks he will have to pour 1 glass of water to fill his jug. Can you tell whose jug holds more water? Yes, you are right. Maria's jug holds more water. Capacity of the bottles. There are 2 pots of same size. Naima and Naseem have to fill each pot with colored water. They use their own bottles to fill the pots. Naima's pot gets filled with 16 bottles of water, while Naseem's pot gets filled with 8 bottles of water. We can say that Naima's bottle can hold half times as much water as Naseem's bottle. Comparison. Rama was out on picnic. He felt thirsty. He went to a shop and purchased 1 liter bottle of water. This bottle can hold 1 liter of water. There were other bottles of different capacity. This one held half liter and that one held 2 liters of water. The word liter is used to denote the capacity of a liquid. We will now pour water from this bottle in a vessel. We have seen that 1 liter water do not fill this vessel. This vessel holds more than 1 liter of water. Similarly, pour water from the bottle in these vessels. They also hold more than 1 liter of water. Measurement. Now let us pour milk from 1 liter bottle in this bowl. We have seen that milk is still there in the bottle. This means this bowl holds less than 1 liter of milk. Similarly, this pan holds less than 1 liter of milk. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. This means 1000 milliliters make 1 liter. Milliliters can also be written as ml. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Capacity is the amount of liquid a container can hold. The word liter is used to measure the capacity of a liquid. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters, or 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter.
Mastering capacity is a vital skill for both maths and everyday tasks. We hope this lesson has made the concept simple and enjoyable. Remember, Practice makes perfect. Don't hesitate to revisit the video if you need a refresher. Stay tuned for more fun, engaging, and educational videos that make learning maths easy and enjoyable for Class 3 students.